Hi, John Walker, and you're watching LaKaD TV. And we just got back to Hawaii. We returned from the Philippines. And the question I get asked sometimes is, what's the difference between Hawaii and the Philippines? Well, first, both the Philippines and Hawaii have beautiful scenery. They both have beautiful mountains. They both have beaches. Point two, though, the Philippines is much larger than Oahu or the island where Honolulu is. So let's let Chris tell you a little bit about her thoughts on the traffic.
Aloha, this is Chris. We're on the highway H2 in Hawaii. You can definitely see the difference between here and the Philippines. The rider is much smoother and less congested. Aloha!
But keep in mind, you really would have to compare the traffic of Manila to, let's say, Los Angeles, Chicago, or New York, as the city of Manila has a population of 20 million or more people, while Oahu only has a population of a little less than 500,000 people. And because Oahu is a smaller island than Manila's island of Luzon, it just seems like you can reach and touch the mountains, or you can just touch the ocean. You're much closer to the mountains and the ocean when you're on Oahu. Now, does that mean I'm more partial to Oahu or Honolulu than I am to Manila or Luzon? No, not at all. I'm just pointing out to you some of the differences you might find when you're visiting one location or the other. But either way, enjoy your visit. They're both wonderful places to visit and to see. Now, these last couple of clips you've seen are a teaser for my next video, our drive around the North Shore of Oahu. This has been John Walker. You've been watching LaKaD TV, and I hope you enjoy it. If you enjoy this video and the next, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe.